Do I need more? Alright, come on, pour it in here.
This is black, okay?
Alright, just pour it in there. Okay. Oh, it's colored. That's gonna be terrible for things. Okay. There you go. Good job.
You get the shot with him in it, saving the African children.
No. Now the water.
You're gonna get me banned from YouTube, okay?
Alright, hold up here. I'm mixing it. Here, you can mix a little bit too. Go ahead, mix it a little bit. Good job.
Ow!
Okay, that's enough. Billy, come mix a little bit. Mix a little bit. Good job. Look at you go. Good job. Okay, good. Maybe you want to mix a little bit? Okay.
Is this edible?
Hold on to it.
I think Palmer will have
Oh, good job, baby.
Can I make it one more time?
Okay. Alright, Hazen's turn, baby. Good job. You're such a good listener.
Okay, can we do the thing? Because we have to leave soon.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna do it. Okay, we're gonna do several. Okay, hold on, baby.
He's not a baby. He's not a baby. He's baby on here.
Bobby, baby Bobby.
Bobby.
Where, Bobby?
Baby on here.
He's on it, yeah.
Okay,
He's not,
here.
He's growing up.
Want to do it one more
He's
time?
not going to be able to
Here,
be
like
forever.
this. One,
You know what? Mimi, I want to go.
3.
Hazen, Kitala.
I'm
Good
gonna
Okay, ready? Hold on, stand up. Stand
Okay,
up.
that's good.
He's gonna lean.
Alright, so we're gonna put 1 tablespoon in here.
Me first.
Hold on. No, he's going to do it. Don't touch him. Hazen, I can't see.
I'm doing a bad job myself, okay?
Hazen, sit over here.
Alright, guys.
But
Hold on
I
to
want
this.
to be me.
What's going to happen?
So now we're just gonna do it with water, okay? We're gonna see this
Can
chemical
we do the biggest
reaction.
Yeah, this water.
No, we're gonna do smaller and then see what the effects of each thing does, okay?
You're so cringe.
Okay, here we
So
go.
first water.
Hazen, stand back.
First water.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! It's lava!
Don't touch
Oh, be
it.
careful, it's splattering!
Don't touch it.
Oh.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it! Oh no! Sorry, wash his hand.
Why? Is he going to burn it?
It has some citric acid in it. It's really mild, but still. you
Oh
should
no,
wash it.
the banana!
Put your hand in here. Put your hand in
Are you
here.
recording?
Oh. Whoa.
Wow.
Splattering a lot. I hope it doesn't. We should put a sheet here because I don't want to stain Taka's thing.
Why did Almi just scream like that?
Kaka, you do it too. I do it too. I do it too.
He has like soap on his hand.
I do it too.
Solomon, can you go get a sheet?